Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your profile picture in Mobile Legends. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Changing your avatar in Mobile Legends is easy. From the main dashboard of the app, tap your profile icon from the top left of the screen. On your profile page, tap Settings and then select Avatar. You can now select a new profile picture from the list of default avatars, or upload a custom avatar and select an image from your gallery. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mobile Legends tips and tricks.